Ola Electric brings back Muhurat Mahotsav ahead of Prarambh 2026 to drive 4680 Bharat cell adoption. Ola Electric has brought back its Muhurat Mahotsav campaign with special in-store pricing on products powered by its 4680 Bharat cell platform, effective from the 14th of January 2026. The company will release limited price windows each day through its social media channels, creating urgency and directing customers toward physical dealerships. The campaign covers key offerings such as Ola Shakti Energy Storage Solutions, the S1 Pro Jode 5.2 kWh scooter, and the Roadster X Jode 9.1 kWh motorcycle. By limiting availability to select time slots and in-store purchases, Ola is clearly prioritizing immediate conversions over online browsing. From a business perspective, this move appears focused on stimulating volumes ahead of the broader launch cycle linked to Prarambh 2026. Seasonal pricing events have previously helped Ola lift registrations, but they also bring investor attention to pricing discipline and margin sustainability. Ola Electric shares have remained volatile in recent sessions. The stock has faced pressure due to sector-wide EV weakness and recent shareholder exits, even as new product announcements have triggered brief recoveries. The short-term trend continues to reflect uncertainty rather than sustained confidence. Market reaction indicates that investors are currently weighing execution outcomes more heavily than promotional headlines. While demand-led campaigns can support deliveries, equity sentiment is likely to respond only if volume growth proves durable beyond the offer period. Strategically, the company continues to emphasize its vertically integrated 4680 Bharat cell ecosystem spanning cells, battery packs, and vehicle platforms. Successful scaling of this platform could strengthen cost control and differentiation, especially as competition intensifies across electric two-wheelers and motorcycles. That said, aggressive discounting carries inherent risks. Repeated price-led campaigns can compress margins and raise concerns around inventory buildup if post-event demand cools. Service quality, delivery timelines, and customer retention will play a key role in shaping long-term outcomes. Looking ahead, investors will track post-campaign delivery trends, wider adoption of 4680 powered models, and performance of adjacent segments like energy storage. Clarity on margin behavior and operational efficiency will be critical data points. Overall, the return of Muhurat Mahotsav reflects a tactical demand push at an important stage in Ola Electric's product cycle. While it may support near-term sales momentum, long-term investor confidence will hinge on consistent execution, sustainable pricing, and visible progress toward operational stability rather than short-term promotional intensity.